Hello guys, this is Zombarks here, and today we are breaking down the mech video. So for people that don't understand the mech, here's a video just describing how basic it should be to the max. I'm trying my best here to show you guys how it goes, but we'll see how it goes. I'm doing a voiceover, so bear with me. Maybe it'll be a little bit slow, but right now we are drawing out the mech. So we're drawing out the base right now with that holds the eyes first. And now we're drawing out the retainer that holds the eyes in. Now next part is going to be the eyes, obviously, because you need the eyes for everything. Now what I'm drawing here is the thing that actually makes the eyes move. It's the linkage bar. That actually helps you out with the eyes and getting it to side and up and down in one piece. Alright, now we're doing the side view. Actually, no, this is the above view. That's later on in the video. So from the above, you can see how it is. If you look at Toby right now, the eyes are being held in. And then we're drawing the back of it with the little holders. And then we'll draw the linkage that holds that in there. And that is the bar right there. Doesn't have to be that long, I'm just drawing it out so it shows you guys what it is. The bar goes through a little hole in the linkage to make it go side to side. You'll see what I mean very soon. Next is the servo layout, so this one's taking me a little bit because I'm trying to remember how it actually goes because I have it on James, so I'll take off and look at James real quick and see how the linkage is made on there for the servos to lay out. There's a certain way that you can do these servos. You can do them basically almost any way, but I'm doing it the better way that I know that I'm good with. So right now I'm drawing the up and down servo. Go back to check on James a little bit quick because I'm not really that sure. So right there, the servo is sideways. And then right there, that is a mounting that you mount onto the body. So the body can be mounted and that servo can go up and down. And then next I'm going to be drawing out the side to side, basically left and right servo. And it goes to that little linkage that linkage bar. And that's your whole thing that you have to do. Just right there. Obviously that motor is just a little different how I have that little servo position, but in the breakdown video when I actually buy the servos, I will show you guys a better way how to build it because we will build it one by one. So now we're just doing a little side view. Hopefully it shows because I was drawing a little too far. Okay, so it's not really showing it out that well, but hopefully I soon show it off. Oh nice, it's not really showing it. I really didn't go over this film. Hopefully we can fix this a little bit sooner or later. But actually I think it is showing it off, but I draw how the server would work. But hopefully soon we'll get this done. Because I'll flip it over and give it a more better statement of how this thing actually works. So now we're drawing out the servos and how they would work. So right here, this is the up and down servo that goes and controls it. And that's the little wall that holds the servo. Now we're drawing the back servo that goes back there, and it's this little tab that controls it side to side. Now we're drawing the layout of how the server would go. And then that's the little point that goes on top of that servo. Now it's time to break it down, showing you guys how it should work. So that's the eyes right there, and then the little retainer. That piece holds the eyes in from falling out, like just how I push that eye out. You do if you 3D print eyes like how I do, you have to sand them down to make sure that they don't catch a grip on, because the print lines and everything will catch on to your 3D print lines on the actual eye holder and retainer. So you have to smooth all that out. And as you see, I smooth them so much that they just fall right out because they don't have anything to grip on. This is the little linkage. As you can see, that little hole in the middle, that is your linkage to the side-to-side motor of servo. You connect these with the eye right there through the little holes that they have in there. And I keep dropping them because it's not retained in there. So you put them in there, put a little bar, whatever you want, bend it in there, and it will hold those eyes and not fall. And then you just need to do, see, as you can see, I'm doing the side-to-side right there. And your up and down motor will do the up and down, so you don't have to worry about that. As you can see, I'm trying to put this in, but the eyes keep falling out because I don't have that retainer on there holding it. So I'll try my best to show you the demonstration. And they do run away from me here and there, so it's fun. As you can see, I'm trying to get the linkage out because it fell on Toby's hard part, that it's a little tight in there for it. So basically, you see what I mean? That linkage goes right there, and then the bar would go through the middle, and that would control it. But as you can see, me demonstrating, that's how it would basically go once it's in there. Finally, the eyes just fall out, and I was like, all right. But be what you want, guys. Do what you want. Peace.